Let me just show you what we've been up to then. So Rob's been painting this TVR for us. We've been doing lots of fiberglass on this. We'll do a video at the end to explain how we did this, because fiberglass is quite tricky. But we'll show you the level of detail that we went to make sure that this is right. So he's painted this on the weekend, this solid red. It's actually requested by the customer. This is what he wanted. Very early, number 5 TVR. Quite a big project actually, it's been quite a tricky one. But Rob's just painted it this weekend. It's absolutely stunning. It's a lot of work. Everything, like even around the badges and things, when it's fiberglass, has to be redone. Because basically we gel coat the whole, not gel coat, sorry, the like tissue the whole car, fiberglass, and re-tissue to stop any splits or cracks coming through, and then do our normal sort of filling process. But yeah, the car's looking great now. The doors are painted, the bonnet's almost ready. Just started polishing this side. So this is where we basically take the top surface down, smooth it off, and then polish it back up. And so he's just done that on the wing and the quarter panel, but he'll do that all over the whole car. Not really 100% necessary because the finish is so good anyway, but it just gives that final flat finish, especially on a fiberglass car. It'll make it really stand out. So yeah, really pleased with that one. We'll get some photographs when it's all back on the shelf, on the frame, and the bonnet's on as well.